are always telling you to scout your landscape and your garden, right? Well, we were out in the backyard farmer garden and we were checking out all the plants this spring, and we found something very particular. Our peas in one raised bed are getting eaten, and crazy enough, it's only in this one raised bed. The bed is too tall, I think, for rabbits to get in, so who knows what it could be. Hopefully they'll be able to grow out of it, but we're not seeing this in other beds, so we're not gonna have a big loss of production. But as a reminder, this is something very important to keep going out and scouting your landscape. Things can happen completely overnight. So check out your garden on a daily basis.